I can't wait to see the new episode of The Bachelor tonight. What's it come on? What, channel 7, 8?
The Bachelor.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, it's a good show.
Wait, go back to channel.
Ah.
Ooh. That looks pretty cool.
What is this? This is sketchy.
It's Grizzly Bear Grove Street, a new exhibit at the zoo,
Isn't it? I think it's downtown, actually.
Yeah, I mean, oh, look at the bears.
Oh, they're so cute.
And like, it's a gift shop. They sell dreadlocks.
Really? No way.
Yeah.
They have a lot
Look
of...
at, oh my gosh, the mountains and...
Look at the little river.
It's a pretty cool exhibit.
That really is.
Hey, Scoop, you want to go?
Hey.
Sure.
Alright.
Alright.